Okay, so I was having issues when I was making my recordings using mirillis action. They were only coming in with the left channel because I'm using a Behringer UM2, and it inputs the audio as separate channels. The left being the mic input and the right is the like guitar input or whatever. So because it's inputting two separate channels, mirillis action was only picking up the one channel after I had done an update. And so I was wondering how to fix that, and then I found if you go into mirillis action and you go into here, your primary source device default, that's good. But now if you go in here, you pick your audio interface, that's good. But now if you go to settings, it has this really epic thing where stereo was what it was on, which sends all the audio from the left, quote unquote, side to the left and the audio from the right to the right. But since there isn't anything plugged into the right port because it's just not plugged in right there, it went and didn't work. So I found if I slide this over here to mono left, this is super nice user interface. So if you slide this over to user left, then you have nothing to worry about. And then when you make your recording, everything just works great. And so that's how that works. Now everything just works great. And so that's how that works. There we go. Thank you for watching.